In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to deactivate a payment link in Stripe. To get started, head over to the Stripe website by entering stripe.com in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Home section, then look for the Payments area where all your transactions and settings are organized. Inside the Payments menu, you'll find an option called Payment Links. Click on it to see the list of links you've created. Find the specific payment link you want to disable and click the three-dot menu next to it to open more options. From the drop-down list, choose Deactivate. Stripe will ask you to confirm since deactivating a link can't be reversed right away. If you're sure, simply confirm your choice. That's all it takes to successfully deactivate a payment link in Stripe. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial made the process quick and easy for you.